UPMC, $10.5 billion IDN located in Western Pennsylvania. We do everything from acute care hospitals to senior living. We have an insurance plan, so we're not only the provider, we're also a payee. We have plenty of doc offices located throughout Western Pennsylvania. We also have some international presence with Palermo is the transplant center in Italy, and we're also managing a hospital in Dublin, Ireland as well. If you go back approximately 7 years ago, you would look at the supply chain organization with inside UPMC and said paper-based invoices, not a lot of real sourcing activities going on. We were basically paper pushers. Prodigo Solutions provided us the tools to actually start transforming the organization to become a world-class supply chain group that was, one, negotiating good contracts, two, very efficient with regards to the people that were employed within supply chain, and actually doing real vendor management and spending time with our customers.
Our focus and our mission is serving the healthcare provider market. We will continue to innovate along with our large client partners in healthcare to drive the change that directors of cardiology, folks that work in the EP lab, clinicians on the floor, nurses at the bedside want and require inside a healthcare supply chain solution. Being part of a large integrated delivery finance network like UPMC, Prodigo is able to use its products, Prodigo Marketplace, Prodigo Buyer, and Prodigo Exchange, across a continuum of services.
If you look at the way users use technology today, you probably have folks at home that are going out on Amazon.com or Zappos.com, they're buying their shoes, they're looking at it, they're looking at the size, they're putting it into a shopping basket. And once they put it into that shopping basket, they check out. Then they come to work the next day and they log on to an archaic system that's character-based. They can't find what they're looking for. There aren't any pictures, there aren't any sizes, and they hope that when they place that order, they end up with what they're looking for. So for us, it was a pretty logical migration by taking our ERP system, our PeopleSoft ERP system, which does everything very well, but what we've done is we've extended the functionality of that actual system to make it user-friendly. We've actually extended the use to those folks that matter. Those are the nurses, the docs, the facility folks, those folks in the hospitals and the folks out there that actually need to order something, have it show up, and get back to their day job.
Prodigo Exchange is focused on delivering exchange services as a provider-driven exchange. This is clearly different than GHX, which focuses in terms of their equity ownership as a vendor-driven exchange. So at Prodigo, we believe in two things: that exchange services are a commodity and should cost what a commodity costs, and in providing the provider community and its vendors with a no-cost method to connect. So whether the vendor connects through their own van or whether they're a low-tech vendor and cannot do electronic commerce, and Prodigo provides the portal service, we are basically enabling the network of providers and their exchange partners without the high cost of a vendor-driven exchange.
Less resources, doing a greater amount of work, making our customers happier than they ever were. That's what it's really done for us.